Hello once again, welcome back. So in this video guys, I'm going to share with you my last exercise and this is for my belly. Let's do this. So estimate ko lang guys, mas maganda ito gawin ng 100 counts. 100 counts or more, much better. Mas maganda pala guys mag-exercise sa belly pag nakapantay. Kasi naiipit yung yan. Kahit stretch naman itong pantalon ko. Na-stretch siya. Doon gana. Sarap sa kakalamban sa tiyan. So, request kasi ito guys. So, yan guys, araw-araw ko ito ginagawa. Pag hindi ko magawa mag-exercise sa araw, before ako matulog, sinisikat ko kahit isang exercise na. Basta lang, hindi kakalawangin niya ang ating katawan. Okay, that is it. I'll see you tomorrow and thank you so much for watching and please follow me. Bye for now.